Well, for 20 Mercer students, fighting fear and misinformation over vaccines is their mission. The Interfaith Youth Core selected them as part of students at 117 colleges across the country for the National Faith in the Vaccine Ambassadors Project. Taylor Hicks spoke with some of the ambassadors over at Mercer about the goal of this project and how it's been going so far.
Just a few months ago, Erika Thomas was hesitant to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
I know I've had plenty of people in my family actually pass away from the virus itself. I'm actually attending a funeral tomorrow, so I just knew that I couldn't continue on not getting vaccinated.
Thomas says she saw how COVID-19 was impacting those around her, so she began to educate herself.
I had to get vaccinated to not only protect myself, but protect my fellow students, protect my family.
Now she's encouraging others to do the same through the National Faith in the Vaccine Ambassadors Project.
We're a cohort of students who were selected last May, basically just to get the word out about the vaccine, debunk some myths about the vaccine that many people may have.
The Faith in the Vaccine Ambassadors Program is sponsored by a group called the Interfaith Youth Core. It has the idea that people from all different faith traditions and no faith traditions can work together on important projects for the common good.
Marlene Flaming, Associate Professor of Religion, and Jose Pinto, Associate Professor of Spanish, co-lead the program for Mercer. Flaming says the organization did a study that showed Black, Native American, and Latino communities and politically and religiously conservative white communities are more likely to be hesitant about the vaccine.
The idea is that working with religious organizations, with churches, that we might be able to reach people that have the lower vaccine uptake.
Komal Gandhi is also an ambassador and says variants turn up the urgency.
Now more than ever before, I think our addressing vaccine hesitancy plays a pivotal role in helping people stay healthy, and all of this stuff amounts to the country going back on track. So it really does feel great to know that you're part of a national movement.
Only in Georgia, according to the CDC, only 42% of the population has been fully vaccinated. So we are behind. So the work that the ambassadors do is really great.
On September 11th, they are partnering with One Macon to host a COVID-19 vaccine town hall, where they will answer questions that people have about the vaccine and offer the vaccine to people that want it. Reporting in Macon, Taylor Hicks, 13 WMAZ News.
The town hall on vaccines is at the Rosa Jackson Community Center from 11:30 a.m. to noon on Saturday, September 11th, like Taylor just mentioned.